Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a new piece of shell cordovan that I got, which is a shell cordovan wallet. Now, I'm a member of a lot of Facebook groups and enthusiast groups where we talk about shell cordovan, and this happened to be from Mario Delgado, who's in one of those groups. And look at that. Mardel. And I hope that this is his business card. I love that. Having it in the little thing like so. Mardel leather. And see, he's got, it's Italian calf interior. He signed it with a date not too long ago. A very cool presentation. And this is it. You can see the Italian calf. How it's set there. It's a little bit on the thick side, but not overly thick. And here's this beautiful shell cordovan in navy. It's got the Horween stamp inside, which I love. Just a really nice job bringing it all together. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some cross-pollination on my Instagram, where I'm going to share some of the work in progress and how he pulled this together. Now, I did pay him, and I paid him, as far as I know, full price for this. It's just a really great wallet, and I'm happy to share it with you. Now, you can tell here, I have a few wallets. Some match some pairs of shoes, some don't. You know, probably the most interesting story for all the wallets that I have is this one. And this is from Mackenzie Leather in Edinburgh, Scotland. And I actually was there walking around with my son during one of their big street festivals, and went in and decided to have them make me this bespoke wallet. So kind of designed it soup to nuts right there with them, and then they made it for me. Really nice. Now, it's also on the thick side, so if you look at the two side by side, you can see how thick it is. Now, if you compare that to some of my other ones, where they're also thick, this one is quite a bit thicker. So now this is an interesting one because they did a lining on it, which they had to do on the outside, and that of course added to the thickness. So that is part of it. But back to Delgado, this Mardel, excuse me, Mario Delgado, makes sense. A little slow on the uptake. This is just a beautiful example, and I will give it some use and see how it does. Just for trying here, I'll take one of my credit cards. And you see, fits in there. Now, it's not super wide, right? And what I mean by that is, let's say that we take this Coach one. You see that? They have quite a bit more room on the Coach wallets than he does, which is really for being able to stack multiple cards. Now, I tend to just have one in each pocket, and I like 3 or 4 on a side and then one in the middle. And this is going to work for me just perfectly. So thank you for watching. Shell Cordovan, Wisconsin Shoe Guy is out.